Welcome to the exhilarating journey of becoming an entrepreneur, a path filled with passion, dedication, and the courage to take risks. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own business, you're in the right place. Today, we'll guide you through the essential steps to kickstart your entrepreneurial adventure. First, let's talk about finding your passion and purpose. What truly excites you? What are you naturally good at? Dive deep into your interests and talents. This self-discovery phase is crucial, as it lays the foundation for a meaningful business. Define your purpose. Ask yourself why you want to start this journey and what problems you aim to solve. Once your passion is clear, it's time to develop a strong business idea. Conduct thorough market research to understand your potential customers, their needs, desires, and pain points. Identify your unique selling proposition. What makes your business stand out from the rest? Develop a robust business model outlining how you plan to generate revenue and ensure profitability. Validate your idea by gathering feedback from potential customers. Now, on to crafting a solid business plan. Your plan should begin with a compelling executive summary that captures the essence of your business. Conduct a detailed market analysis to understand the competitive landscape. Project your finances carefully, forecasting revenue, expenses, and profits. Detail your operational plan, including production, marketing, and sales strategies. Don't forget to develop a sound funding strategy. Speaking of funding, securing capital is often one of the biggest challenges. Explore various options: self-funding, loans, investors, or crowdfunding. Each has its pros and cons, so choose what best suits your business model and growth aspirations. Building a strong team is equally important. Surround yourself with individuals who share your vision and bring complementary skills to the table. Delegate tasks wisely and foster a positive, motivating work environment. Finally, it's time to launch your business. Decide on the appropriate legal structure and ensure all regulatory requirements are met. This is your moment. Take that leap of faith and watch your dreams unfold. Remember, the entrepreneurial journey is not just about achieving success, but also about learning, growing, and making an impact. Stay inspired and committed to your vision.